So, uh, I don't know where to start. Really not prepared for this, but yeah. So I'll tell you. Like I did architecture, bachelor's in architecture from IES itself. So definitely we were taught about DCR क्या होता है, DP sheet क्या होता है. We used to do it when we used to get assignments and all for the jury. But then I started my career. I did my 6 years, okay, and I was completely into designing. So all this feasibility, all this FSI, somebody else used to work out for us. We were just told कि इतने flats बांधने हैं, you design now, you fit it on the site. So 6 years I did only designing, and then I always had that wish to be a part of a real estate to see how it works on a larger scale. And when I entered, but I was really scared because after seeing so many verticals within one domain, I was like, oh God, I don't know all of this. Like I can't do only designing throughout my life, right? It's just like a drafting work after one point of time. So then I decided, okay, I now need to start exploring. Then I even thought of doing masters, but then masters was like, gonna be a huge step for me. Then I thought, ki before I entered into that masters and everything, let me just take one step back. Let me try and understand how all verticals work within real estate, and then let me figure out where I actually want to go. Otherwise, again, spending already doing 5 years of architecture, then again 2 years for masters is a huge, lot of time will be invested in all of that. Then I was just randomly Googling. That's the best thing that you can do, how to read the CPR. And the first thing that popped up was the blue shift. And surprisingly, same location, IES, I was like, okay, 5 साल इधर किया, अभी फिर से 5 साल के बाद इधर ही जाना है, to learn again. So I was like, okay, ठीक है. Actually, when I enrolled first, I was like enrolled only for the 4 modules. And even sir told me it's okay, you join for the 4 modules first, then see how it goes for you. And I just did one lecture with Blue Shift, and the very next day I told Mona, okay, enroll me for all the 11 modules. I want to do the entire course. And I am really grateful for that decision because it really did help me a lot to understand all the verticals, how the real estate works at large. And it really helped me also to understand where I can place myself going ahead with respect to my career, because finance is one big thing. It's like, oh my God, too much to process with that. Legal, again, it's like the roots are so deeply rooted with the legal team. And when it comes to licensing, again, every single day you will listen to someone saying, कि अभी आ रही ये circular आएगा, 2 दिन में ये circular. It's a lot of to keep track of things, and but yeah, eventually now I know कि where can I go, or you can अगर कोई circular आ रहा है नया, where I can go and look for it. Before that, I was like completely blank before doing this course. And definitely there is one more thing that I'm thankful for this institute is for the networking part, because you come every Sunday, you meet some new faces, you come to know new people, what they are doing with their field, and how it is really connected with my field. When I definitely met Shilpa, uh, so we really developed the bond really quickly, and she helped me understand how the finance side works with real estate. And I try to tell her how the designing part and how you can optimize certain things with respect to designing when it comes to finance. So it really helped us both, and I'm really thankful for this, for making this networking happen, Blue Shift. And that's all. Thank you so much.